welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lavi. Thank you for joining me. So today I'll be preparing a special kind of soup. I'm Yoruba from West Africa, and in my tribe we call it the Egusi soup. So Egusi soup is made with melon. It's a special kind of seed that is proteinous and has very healthy fat, and it's very nutritious, and you can eat it with boiled rice, you can eat it with semolina, you can eat it with pounded yam, or just eat it by itself. So it's eaten by most tribes in West Africa, and today I'll be using another kind of seed which we call Pepitas here in Australia to prepare the same kind of soup. Pepita is from pumpkin seed and is sold as packaged in most supermarkets here around Australia. I'm sure it's sold in other parts of the world as well. So if you don't have access to the melon seeds, which you call the Egusi, you can easily use the Pepita seed as a replacement. So join me in my kitchen as we prepare this delicious soup. I'll see you in a while. This is the Pepita brand I'll be using for my Egusi soup today. I have my washed spinach ready for the Egusi soup. I also have my atarodo or Habanero pepper and onions. I have my dried fish which I've deboned and washed. I have my iru or locust bean, a special ingredient we use in West Africa. I have my meat, a source of protein. I have my red oil, also known as palm oil, or you can use any oil. So now I'll be blending my pepper and onions. I'm making sure to blend it very well for my egusi soup. My pepper mixture is ready now. So then I'll put on my pots on the fire and I'll add in my red oil, or you can use any kind of oil you prefer, but I'll recommend the red oil. So I get my oil to warm up and I add in my pepper mixture. And then I go on to blend my pepita seed. I'm adding some onion just to give my pepita seed some sort of flavor, and then adding some water, and I go ahead to blend it. So once it's blended, you could even try to taste it. It tastes really like egusi seed as well. Now my pepita is well blended. And now I'll go back to my pepper mixture, which has been boiling for the past 10 minutes. So now I'm going to add in my pepita mixture. And I'll try and stir it together with the pepper mixture. So I'm going to leave the pepita mixture in for a while with the pepper mixture so it can sort of solidify and mix very well into the pepper. So I'll just leave that in for another, say, 7 minutes for it to solidify. At this stage, I'm adding my other ingredients. I'm adding in my iru or the locust bean. I'm adding my meat stock. You can use any flavor of meat stock. And I'm adding in every other ingredients. I've added my meat. I'm adding in my dried fish. You can use any sort of protein sauce that you have. You can use turkey, you can use chicken. Yeah, you can just be creative about this soup. Let your creativity come to play. So I'll add in my seasoning as well. Just a little bit of seasoning will do, because the pepita seed is also very infused with a lot of flavors. So I'm adding in my salt as well. So I'm trying not to overcook this soup because the pepita seed is a refined product on its own and I don't want to lose much nutrients. So I'll add in everything at this stage and go ahead to stir together, and I'll just leave it in for about 4 minutes so everything can sort of mix together. After 4 minutes, I add in my washed spinach. This is a very good time to add it in. So also, I don't like overcooking my veggies, so the spinach will be there for about 5 minutes as well. So I'm just stirring the spinach into the soup mixture. It looks yummy already. Like you need to be here. Like everywhere is smelling with so much awesome goodness. It's smelling all over the house. It's just like a goosey, just like a goosey. So now I give my soup a final stir. It's ready to eat now, and I've lowered the heat. So you can go ahead and eat this delicious soup with anything of your choice or just eat it by itself. So that's my melonless egusi soup. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it and you go ahead and try this. Let me know how you go in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.